Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new notebook on the Noteshelf application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and if you want to create a new notebook, just go to the upper bar at the home screen, click to the second option, the new notebook, and you can select a color, you can select any others if you have premium, but I just want to select that. If you click to the done button, you can select paper, ruled, checked dot, or plain. You can select a color for this paper, and if you don't, click to the done button, and you can add a name to your notebook, and if you finish, just click the create a notebook button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.